Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're doing a makeover of our kitchen breakfast dining area, and I'm so excited to finally share the completed decorating process with you. If you're new to our channel, welcome and glad to have you be part of our Glam family. We appreciate all the love and support we receive on our channel and glad to share all of our ideas with you. The first thing I wanted to do was to change the look of the wall. So instead of changing the color to something darker, as it is a small space, I got my husband to add some decorative molding and wainscoting. And because the mirror was already on the wall, we just added the molding around it. It turned out better than we expected, and it brings a more openness to the space, which is exactly what we wanted. I added this beautiful chandelier which was purchased from Home Depot, and I love the fact that it's not too large and overpowering, and it fits very beautiful in the space. I usually like to start off with a nice dry clean floor, so I went ahead and cleaned my floor, and I'm using this Swifter just to clean off any excess dust. I love the look of this beautiful rug, and when I saw it, I thought it was just a perfect shade of gray and white that I wanted to put in the space, and it feels very soft under your feet, which is a big plus. I will leave a list of all the items used down in the description box below if you are interested in finding them to use in decorating your home as well. I purchased these curtain rods on sale at half price. I really love the look of the crystal on the end, and I knew they would go perfect with these beautiful curtains, which also was on sale at half price. Now I'm adding this mirrored accent chest purchased from Wayfair. They also come in a smaller size, 32.5 by 32. I cleaned the sides of my chest, and now I'm cleaning the top with a bit of Windex glass cleaner, and I'll be adding some beautiful accent pieces to complete the look. Also, please check us out on our Instagram page at Glam Home and Lifestyle. We would love to hear from you. I'm also cleaning my table with Windex glass cleaner as well. These gorgeous windbag chairs that come in a set of 2 are from Wayfair, and I love how they create such a nice contrast to the carpet and the table. They also come in gray and black. I absolutely love these beautiful crystal charger plates. It has this beautiful pretty design in the center, and it comes in a pack of 4, and I was able to find them for only $10. I decided to add 2 pillows and fur on my chairs, and this is something that's very optional. You don't have to do this. I just wanted to put a little bit more glam to the finished look. And here is the final makeover look of our breakfast nook. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I love how all the decor came together. Let us know in the comments what you think, and if you decided to do a makeover anywhere in your home, please send us some pictures on Instagram. We would love to hear from you and appreciate all the love and support that we receive. Thanks everyone for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. And as always, guys, stay safe and may God bless.